Hi guys, I'm coming to you curly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set on my hair using products from Alodia. Just these two products, guys. So stay tuned. Starting on freshly washed hair, I'm going in with the Nourish and Moisturize hair cream, and this cream is very thick, guys. It has like a orange herbal tea scent. It's very light, but it has a very nice, pleasant, pleasing scent. And my hair just loved it. It absorbed it very well. It's very easy to detangle and just great overall product. It can definitely be used on its own without over layering it with other styling products. It really can be used on its own. I'm going in with Nourish and Grow Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil to seal my hair. And this oil has a very nice light scent as well. It's a very light textured oil, and it did a really great job of sealing in all the moisture from the hair cream into my hair. Now I'm taking a small section of my hair for the perm rods, and I apologize for not standing in front of the camera correctly so that you could see this section, but don't worry, you will see my technique once I get to the front of my hair. Pretty much for me, I'm not super big on making all of my parts super straight, but you want to make them kind of clean, and you really want to focus on smoothing your hair, making sure it's not detangled, especially your ends. So essentially what I did for this type of perm rod set is I kind of rolled it up halfway and then kind of twisted it towards the roots, so creating a corkscrew effect towards the roots of my hair. And sometimes what I will do is do a completely corkscrew, but this time I just decided to do it a little differently. For that little piece of my edges, I just decided to take a tiny perm rod and roll it up, not twist it, so that I don't pull my edges out. Now I'm about to go under the dryer. Now coming out, I'm taking the oil and rubbing that into my hands and applying it to my hair to kind of coat it with that oil. And this helps to reduce frizz when you're taking the rods out. Essentially, to take them out, it's pretty simple. You just unwind it in the direction that you put it in. And just be careful. I try not to touch my hair at all while I'm doing this. I just focus on the rod so that I do not disturb the curls and create frizz. Now here comes to the fun part, which is also kind of difficult sometimes, which is separating your curls. You can separate them as much as you want, however you want to be careful about how you do it, because this is the part where frizz comes to ruin your life. So essentially what I do is I go in from the root of my hair and unwind it in the direction that it's going in, and then kind of twirl it around once I get to the middle of the curl and the ends. Pretty much try to avoid your ends as possible, because that's the part where frizz really likes to come into play. And this oil from Alodia works very well with reducing frizz. Now I'm going in with my pick to kind of lift my hair up. Still doing it carefully. I try not to touch the curls too much themselves so I don't create too much frizz. really kind of pulling more at the roots than the curls themselves. And yes, I have that weird little piece there that I don't know what it did. It wasn't trying to be nice to me. So don't worry, I got something for it. So what I thought about doing initially was a Bantu knot, but that wasn't trying to work for me either. So I kind of just rolled it up into like a little cinnamon roll pin, and you know, we make it work. Regardless of our mistakes, we make it work with our hair. So I just decided to apply some more bobby pins and kind of create that style there, push it up to the side, and there you go. And since I did this, I decided to slick my edges up to kind of make it look like this was really on purpose. I typically do not slick my edges all the time, but for these purposes, I did. And there you go, I'm done. Just kind of fluff it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.